Hello students. Now second condition is basic strength of amines in aqueous medium. Already first condition is completed, that is gaseous medium, and second condition is basic strength of amines in aqueous medium. So here in this aqueous medium two cases are there. Two cases, that is two conditions are there. That is condition number 1. In case number 1, that is condition number 1. Here in this case number 1, in aqueous medium, in the presence of methyl group, in the presence of methyl group, that means only methyl groups are attached to nitrogen. What is the order? I will give simple trick student, that is trick number 2, that is 213. It is the trick number 2 student. I gave trick number 1 in gaseous medium. It is a trick number 2, that is 213. 213 means what? That is, what is the order? What is in case basic strength of amines in aqueous medium? Here two conditions are there. First condition is in the presence of in basic strength of amines in aqueous medium, in the presence of methyl groups, that means only methyl groups are attached to the nitrogen. So what is the order? That is 213. 213 means that is secondary amines are is greater than primary amines. Primary amines are is greater than that of tertiary amines. Tertiary amines is greater than that of ammonia. This is the order, students. So this is the order. This is the order, so that is the simple tricks. You remember, just I am giving just tricks only. I am not giving explanation, just simple trick. You remember how to remember this basic strength of amines in given following mediums. So this is the in aqueous medium, only for compound having only methyl groups are there. That is order is secondary, primary, tertiary and ammonia. I am writing example here. Now take the example here. Example, that is secondary amines CH3 NHCH3. This is secondary amines is greater than that of primary amine CH3 NH2. Primary amine is greater than that of tertiary amine CH3 NCH3. Tertiary amine is greater than that of ammonia. This is the order, student. You remember simple trick. Aqueous basic strength of amines in aqueous medium, that is only alkyl groups. When compound having only methyl groups are there, that order is secondary amines, then primary amines. Secondary amines is greater than primary amines. Primary amines is greater than tertiary amines. Tertiary amines is greater than ammonia. These all are having lone pairs. One lone pair. This is a simple trick, student. So in case number 2, in second case, what is the second case here? In case number 2, second condition. Case number 2, what is the second condition? The basic strength of amines in aqueous medium in the presence of ethyl group C2H5. In the presence of ethyl group. That means I am writing here only ethyl groups are attached to nitrogen. Second condition, student, basic strength of amines in aqueous medium in the presence of ethyl groups, means that is only ethyl groups are attached to the nitrogen. What is the order? I will give, that is trick number 3, student. That is trick number 3, that is 231. That is trick number 3. This is trick number 3. This is trick number 2. First, this is trick number 2. This is trick number 3. This is trick number 2 and this is a trick number 3. What is the order? 231. So means 231 means that is secondary amines is greater than tertiary amines. Tertiary amines is greater than primary amines is greater than ammonia. This is the order, student. So this is the trick number 3. So here in case in basic strength of amines in aqueous medium, two conditions are there. In condition 1, that is only methyl groups are attached to the nitrogen, that is order is secondary amines is greater than primary amines are is greater than tertiary amines are is greater than of ammonia. And but in case number 2, that is condition number 2, in basic strength of amines in aqueous medium, in the presence of ethyl groups, only ethyl groups are there, that is only ethyl groups, that is ethyl groups are attached to the nitrogen, that is trick number 3, that is 2 3 1. So 2 3 1, what is the order, what is the order here? Secondary amines is greater than tertiary amine is greater than primary amines is greater than ammonia. So what is the differences between, and out of these two tricks, here these both are having secondary, this component also having secondary. In condition 1, in basic strength of amines in aqueous medium, condition 1, this first place goes to secondary amines. Here also second condition, first place goes to secondary amines. Both are having first condition is secondary amines. Once again students, observe this one. In condition 1 and condition 2, in condition 1 first preference goes to secondary amines. In condition 2, here also first preference goes to secondary amines. In condition 1, second preference goes to primary amines. Second priority goes to primary amines. But in second case, here second priority goes to tertiary amines. So what is the difference between, you remember, this methyl group is the small number, so that's why take the small number 1. And ethyl group is the bulky number, you remember student, ethyl group is the bulky group, so that's why take the bulky number group. Bulky number means this is a tertiary is the bulky number. Once again student, you remember simple trick, basic strength of amines in aqueous medium. In case number 1, in case number 2, condition 1 and condition 2, first priority goes to, both are having secondary amines, here also secondary amines. And second priority in condition 1 primary amines, in condition 2 second priority tertiary amines. What is the difference between here? In case number 1, first priority methyl group is there, methyl group is the small number, so that's why we'll take primary number 1. And ethyl group is the bulky group, number, so that's why we'll take the tertiary. These both are first preference secondary. And in methyl group is the small number, so that's why taking the first number primary. And ethyl group is the bulky number, so bulky group is there, so that's why take the bulky number is tertiary. After that primary, then and ammonia is common, both are common. This is a simple trick student. So this is the basic strength of amines in aqueous medium. In case number 1, in the presence of methyl group attached to the nitrogen, what is the order is trick number 2, that is 2 1 3. You remember 2 1 3. In case number 2, in the presence of ethyl group, basic strength of amines in aqueous medium, case number 2, in the presence of ethyl groups means that is only ethyl groups are attached to the nitrogen, that is trick number 3, that is 2 3 1. Here 2 3 1, in both conditions, first condition second condition, both are having first preference primary, first preference first preference secondary, here and here. And second preference in case number 1, second preference primary, in case number 2 second preference tertiary. What is the differences between and this one? Methyl group is the small number, so that's why taking the first place, first number is small number, 1 is the small number. And second second priority tertiary. What about this tertiary compound? Tertiary compound is means ethyl group is the bulky group, so that's why second priority goes to bulky group, that is bulky number, that means tertiary. Out of these 1 2 3, which one is bulky number? 3 is the bulky number, so that's why take the secondary, tertiary, after that primary, then with ammonia. This is a simple trick student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.